Qbox now has additional opt-in collaboration features for account owners such as client portal, signature, and tasks. Start by going to the Qbox web dashboard at qboxplus.com. If the features are available to be toggled, you will see an Add Features button at the top right. Clicking this will list each feature to be enabled. You can hover your mouse over the question mark to preview details about each feature. Enabling these will increase your Qbox bill. More information on billing for these features is in the description of this video. Once enabled, you will see new tabs at the top. We'll now go through each of the features available at the time of creating this video. Let's start with the client portal, which allows you to securely store files for your clients and invite them to be able to see and download the files, as well as upload their own files. The People tab now shows a My Clients subtab. Click Add at the top right to add a new client. You can send an invitation to the client's email now or later. Going to the Files tab, there are now Client Folders and Team Folders subtabs. Team folders are only visible to you and your team members, but not your clients. A client folder is visible to you, your team members, and that client if they've been invited. If you enter the folder, you can click the Actions button at the top right to see a few options, including uploading folders and files and creating empty folders. Let's upload a PDF and a spreadsheet. Once uploaded, you can click the Actions button to see some basic functions. Please note files in the client portal will not sync down to Qbox Explorer on the user's computers, unlike how Qbox Sync folders work. Certain file types, like Word documents and spreadsheets, can be locked and edited directly from the web dashboard by the account owner and team members. Let's try that now. Moving on to the Signatures tab, where you can request e-signatures from clients on PDF files. Click Add to select an existing PDF or upload a new one from your computer. Here, we're going to select an existing file. You can create a template for future PDFs or apply signature fields as a one-time event. Here, you can select your signees, including your team or any email address. If Infor signature order is enabled, the second signee won't be notified until the first signee has completed, and so on. We're going to add ourselves and the test client as signees, then pick Prepare Document. You'll then be brought to the editor, where you can drag elements from the right panel onto the document. If there are more than one signee, you'll need to right-click and assign each element so Qbox knows which element goes to which signee. Click Save and Send when ready. Since we're a signee, we'll sign this first. Click Complete Signing when you've addressed all required elements. The Signature tab will then show the status of all recent e-signatures. Let's next go to the Tasks tab, where you can make to-do lists for you and your team members. Click Tasks at the top right and create a new task and assign it. Click Save when you've added the information you'd like to add. To look at the task, click the name of the task. You can also edit or delete it by using the pencil and trash can icon. To change the status, simply click and drag it onto different columns on the Kanban board. You can also use the funnel icon at the top left to filter all tasks. If tasks were created without an owner, you can filter Task View by unassigned tasks. The Chat tab allows you to send secure messages with your team members and any of your clients whom you have client folders for. You can click Add and New Chat and select the user you'd like to send a message to. Once you sent the message, they can go onto their Qbox web dashboard to see what you've sent and reply. Invoicing with Qbox allows you to send invoices to your clients using the third-party Stripe software. You'll first need to make sure that you have a Stripe.com account first. You will also need to go to link your Stripe account to Qbox by going to your icon at the top right, and then Settings, and then Invoice Settings. Click Enable and follow the next screen to link. Once enabled, go to the People tab to see your clients. Click the Actions button and click Send Invoice. Add the amount you'd like to bill and add a description. Then click Send. The user will then receive an email from Stripe with steps to pay the invoice. Keep in mind, Stripe may charge a fee for each invoice. You can go to the Invoicing tab to see the invoices you've sent so far. You can also see the sent invoice by going to your account on Stripe.com.